Hi, I have another problem there. I have a problem where the ABC companies reported a net income of 5 million, okay, for the year 2024, and they paid $800,000 in the preferred dividends. At the beginning of the year, they had 1.5 million of the shares outstanding, and they have repurchased the shares on April 1st, 2024, which are 200,000, and the new shares also issued on October 1st, 2024, which are 300,000. So how to calculate the basic EPS for 2024? We have the net income, which is, you can say, 5 millions. Sorry, yes, and the preferred dividend, which is 800,000. So the earning left would be our net income. Sorry, net income minus preferred dividend. So this is the earning left. So WANS means the weighted average number of shares. This is the formula. Earning left over WANS. We will find out the EPS after dividing this over this. And now we will calculate it. Just add these values one by one. Keep in mind that they have the shares outstanding in the first, which are 1500,000, multiplied by 3 over 12, because they have been repurchased the shares on April 1st. So first 3 months these shares will be uh, issued, and now plus our next value, which is April 1st to 2024, they repurchase the shares. It means the new shares would be 13 lakh. So add these values here, multiply by for how many time? April to October, it's 6 months, 6 over 12, and again add the value of the last one, October 1st to the December 31st, 2024. So these are 3 months, and again, so the total shares, which were 13 lakh, and now add these shares as well. They again show the shares on October 1st, so it will be 16 lakh multiplied by our 3 over 12 for the last 3 months. Yes, this is our values. Okay, now find the EPS. Now it's very easy. Earning left divided by our WANS. So this is our the earning per share, which is $2.95. Hopefully you would have understand this, and just like and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.